All right, so you got a walk-in that's down. Verify that the fan gave out. Go get you some cardboard and tape or anything to cover it. Proceed to install the cardboard and tape.
A few moments later.
And now you got air moving across the whole coil. Verify that you're not overheating. And you're good to go.